Did you know you could be sitting on a small fortune without even realizing it? That shiny Sacagawea or gold dollar coin you tossed in a drawer could actually be worth hundreds, even thousands of dollars. In this video, we're diving into the most valuable gold dollar and Sacagawea coins that could be hiding in your home. First up, the 2000p Cheerios Sacagawea Dollar. This was given away inside Cheerios cereal boxes as a promotion. But what most people didn't realize is that these specific coins have a different tail feather design, and they're incredibly rare. One of these sold for over $5,000 at auction. So check your collection or your cereal box from 20 years ago. Next, let's talk about presidential dollar coins, especially ones with errors. Ever seen a coin with no edge lettering? That's not just cool, it's valuable. These godless dollars, as they're called, can sell for up to $300 or more, depending on condition. Now here's where things get wild. The 2007 Sacagawea Mule coin is a one-of-a-kind minting mistake. It's a Sacagawea dollar on one side, but with a Washington quarter design on the other. Only a few of these are known to exist, and one sold for over $150,000. It's like winning the coin lottery. So what should you be checking for? Here's a quick checklist. Look for edge lettering errors, search for unusual feather details, look for year 2000 Sacagawea coins, especially from those Cheerios boxes, and keep an eye out for Mule coins. You never know, your spare change might be your hidden treasure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you've ever found a rare coin. And don't forget, check your pockets. You might be richer than you think.